Understanding, remain undisturbed, dive into English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, remain undisturbed. This phrase is not only common in daily conversations but also enriches your understanding of how English speakers express tranquility and stability. Stay with us as we delve into the meaning, usage, and nuances of this phrase to help you master it and use it confidently in your own conversations. Remain undisturbed combines two words, remain and undisturbed, to form a phrase that means to stay calm, not affected, or unchanged by external conditions or situations. Remain is a verb that means to continue in the same state, and undisturbed is an adjective that describes a state of peace and tranquility, free from interruption or disturbance. Together, they convey a powerful message of resilience and steadiness. This phrase can be used in various contexts. Emotional steadiness, when talking about maintaining composure in stressful situations. Example, despite the chaos around her, she managed to remain undisturbed. Physical state, to describe a place or object that has not been moved or altered. Example, the ancient ruins have remained undisturbed for centuries. Mental state, in discussions about keeping one's focus or peace of mind. Example, to concentrate on his work, he needs to remain undisturbed. It's important to note that this phrase is often used in more formal or literary contexts, and understanding its usage can add depth to your English communication skills. Let's look at some sentence examples to see how remain undisturbed can be seamlessly incorporated into your English. The library rules require all visitors to remain undisturbed and silent while inside. In the eye of the storm, the captain ordered the crew to remain undisturbed and focus on their tasks. For meditation to be effective, one must remain undisturbed by external noises. These examples highlight the versatility of the phrase in expressing emotional control, unchanging conditions, and the importance of maintaining a peaceful environment. Understanding the phrase, remain undisturbed, enriches your English vocabulary and helps you convey messages of calmness and stability effectively. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into using this phrase in various contexts. Remember, language learning is a journey of continuous discovery, and every phrase you master brings you one step closer to fluency. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content in our next video. Stay curious and keep learning.